In this video, I'll show you how we can go ahead and fix the Fortnite mobile lag. So basically, what you need to do is come here, click on your profile icon at the top right, click on settings, okay? And then you want to go ahead and reduce the graphics settings. Make sure everything is on low 3D resolution. Make sure it's in custom, set it to about 50%. Texture quality, things like these, put it low or turn them off. Okay, that will reduce lag, especially if you are on a device that is on the lower end. Low power mode, you can go ahead and toggle this one on as well, right? Do such things. So basically, you just want to reduce your settings wherever possible, turn things off. Okay, anything unnecessary, turn it off, disable it, whatever you do not need. And that will help reduce your lag. And then what you can also do is close any unnecessary apps. Anything unnecessary, go ahead and close it. Make sure only Fortnite is running so that you get that smooth lag-free experience. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.